Hey, what's up, guys? I got this 2018 Dodge Ram 2500. I maybe just drove it off the lot over the weekend, so we're here to do the LED upgrades. This one does have the stock halogen. I'm sorry I wasn't able to take the picture. Excuse me for the mess. It's barely Monday. It's like 10 o'clock. So basically, what you're gonna end up doing to do the installation, there's 4 screws that are right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. This particular new model has a new one. They're 8s and they're right there, and then there's the other one right here. The older models didn't get this. This is the first time that I had to deal with these 8s, but it's just an 8. I like using metric anyways. So there's the grill. The grill's huge, so make sure you put it somewhere that won't get scratched. So I have the first headlight right here, and then these are the bulbs that we're going to be using. We're using our T2s for the fog lights. We're using the N1S for the high beams, and then we're using the F2 LEDs for the low beams because they are our brightest ones. Now, the reason I had to use, I'm not able to go through all of these is because they're just a fitment issue. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So I got one of the headlights out already. Again, this one doesn't require any kind of modification. Okay, the cap is able to go on. Usually, when you do HIDs, you have to drill the cap to get the wires to come out. Okay, a lot of things at the dealerships, when you go trade it in, or anybody, once it looks like you have like holes in the back of your headlight and you have like these cables coming out, then you have like resistors, like ballasts, relays, they look at it and it's just a mess, especially if whoever's looking at it was not the one who did the installation. It looks like a big mess to people. So in this particular one, it's a 9005 for the low beam and another 9005 for the high beam, and then the fog light is also a 9005. So they went pretty straightforward with these. The reason I had to use the here's the F2 silver fan with its driver. The reason you need the driver on the best one is to keep the current steady. Okay, and then the high beam, like literally barely cleared. The high beam is this N1S right here, and it barely cleared, so you're not able to like twist it. You have to kind of like shove it in there and then twist it like with your hands. So that's the high beam. Here's the driver. Okay, it's not going to go anywhere. It's pretty like in there tight. It's not forced in, but it is on there, like it's not going to move around. The cap has like a little bit of like leeway, so it is able to fit the fan. Okay, then you put the 1, 2, 3, the 5/8 back in their spot, and you're done with this one. You plug it in, and that's it. You don't need anything extra or anything fancy for these headlights. The fog light, same thing. You're just going to do it from the bottom. So far so good on this installation. I'll go ahead and show you guys the reading on our website. You can go to like brighttechlighting.com and check out the difference of the lumen output and the lux output from the standard lights. Lumens are important for sure. That's how bright it is. But luxes are what you're looking for. You're looking for the light that's like projected over here. You don't drive looking at your headlight like this. So if you're looking for lumens, the lumens are going to be from right here. The luxes are the ones that you get from when you're behind the wheel, and that's basically the light output on the road. So that's what we try to focus on. Okay, we're not trying to give people like blinding headlights. This is a truck. It's lifted. It's like nothing that we do or don't do. It's the fact that that's where the headlights are pointed. So if you're in front of a smaller car that's lowered, yeah, you're gonna hit them right at the rear view mirror, and it gets annoying. But okay, and then basically, sorry, I have a customer up front, so let me go ahead and check that out real quick. I'll try to do this in 2 parts.